Hello, welcome back to Jestina's kitchen. I hope you're all doing good out there. Today's menu is gonna be juicy bacon wrapped asparagus with creamy mushroom sauce. Here are the ingredients for the menu, and if this is your first time into my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell or subscribe to help my channel grow. This beautiful vegetable weighs about 500 kilograms. We're now going to cut the hard part away from the asparagus. It's not easy to eat. After doing all that, we're going to rinse them and then pat them dry. It is also possible to steam the asparagus just for 1 minute prior to cooking. After drying the asparagus, I'm now going to open the packet of bacon and then start wrapping the asparagus one at a time until we do the whole lot. These beautiful vegetables would taste so good and come out very juicy and tender when we start frying them. So I now start by wrapping the bacon on the asparagus until we get to nearly the top, like this, and then we put it aside, and then we get on to the other one. This is how we're gonna continue gradually until we complete the entire task. Guys, if you don't eat bacon, you can use chicken breast. Cut them into very thin slices and then wrap the asparagus as I am doing right now. Use the same procedure, it would go perfectly well. After completing the entire task, we're now going to the next stage. Look how beautiful they look, and it's gonna taste so good, guys. You can also grill these beautiful fresh vegetables wrapped bacon in the oven. It goes perfectly well. For the stir fry, I've already diced the vegetables, the onions, the white onions, the red onions, the garlic, mushrooms with some of the asparagus chopped to small pieces. So we're gonna use them to do the stir fry for the gravy. It's gonna be yummy, guys, so stay tuned, don't go away, watch the video up to the end. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the frying pan and then start to fry first the asparagus, and we start stirring until it's a little bit golden brown. When it looks like this, then we're going to add in the chopped red and white onions, the garlic, continue stirring until a golden brown color is achieved. Then we add in the chopped leeks. The leeks is going to give it a very beautiful flavor. We continue stirring for another 1 minute. Squeeze in some drizzle of lemon. It's gonna be tasty, absolutely awesome. If you try this recipe, guys, you'll never stop doing it. We now add in the chopped mushrooms. If you don't eat mushrooms, you don't need to add them in. You can add in some chopped carrots it goes perfectly well. Or even mixed bell pepper, that would be extremely beautiful. We now add in some paprika powder. The paprika powder will bring out that beautiful color. And then we add in some chili flakes if you want in some spice. And we're gonna add in some onion and garlic powder also. The combination of the seasonings I've added is gonna bring out that beautiful taste, together with some oregano and white pepper. Mix until everything is combined. Add in some all-purpose seasoning if required, and then add in a tablespoon of water to loosen up everything so that the seasoning would infuse into the vegetables. Stir until there is no more water left, and then the gravy is done. We now get on to the next stage. We're now going to fry the asparagus on low heat without oil, because the bacon is gonna render its fat. The frying of the asparagus is now completed, so I'm now going to transfer them on a plate. They look very, very beautiful, yummy and juicy. And then we distribute the sautéed vegetables on top. Wow guys, look at that. I just can't wait. I'm gonna bite my finger today, guys. If you're looking for something to cook and you don't know what to do, use this recipe. I'm telling you guys, if you try it, you'll never stop doing it. It's fast and easy, and it's really affordable. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow, it looks so good, guys. We're now going to serve the asparagus. They can be accompanied with mashed potatoes and mushroom sauce. If you want to know how I do the mushroom sauce, it's in one of my previous videos in Jestina's kitchen. You can go back, check on it, and then see how I did the mushroom sauce. Wow, look at that. It's so creamy, it's tasty. And then we're gonna garnish either with dill or fresh parsley, together with salad on the side. Oh my god, this is gonna be yummy, yummy. So guys, this is all for you today from Jestina's kitchen. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. If you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, like and share to help my channel grow. Stay blessed. Bye. See you next week.